Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about that everyday carry life, gearing up with practical, reliable stuff that fits in your pocket without draining your wallet, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down the 10 best budget EDC essentials under $20. These are game changers for anyone on the go, whether you're hiking, commuting, or just handling daily chaos. I've handpicked these based on durability, functionality, and bang for your buck. We'll dive into each one, highlighting the key features that make them stand out. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Gerber Gear EB Slim Compact Utility Knife. Kicking things off with a total EDC MVP, the Gerber Gear EB Slim Compact Utility Knife. This bad boy is all about being durable and ready for whatever life throws at you. First off, it's got an easily replaceable contractor-grade utility razor blade, so you can swap it out in seconds when it dulls. No fuss, no tools needed. The secure slide lock keeps that blade locked in place during use, preventing any accidental slips. And check this out, it's super slim and lightweight at just 1.4 ounces, with a 0.7-inch blade and 4.4-inch overall length, making it perfect for pocket carry without weighing you down. What really sets it apart is the innovative design. It's got a pocket clip for easy access and even doubles as a package opener or multi-tool for quick tasks. Built from sturdy stainless steel, it's tough enough for tradesmen, campers, or anyone building out their survival kit. Gerber backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. If you're into outdoor essentials like hiking gear or emergency kits, this is a no-brainer addition. Trust me, once you clip this onto your keys, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Number 2. Zebra F301 Retractable Ballpoint Pen. Next up, something simple but oh so essential. The Zebra F301 Retractable Ballpoint Pen. Don't underestimate this one. It's the original stainless steel ballpoint that's elevated your note-taking game without the premium price tag. It comes in a combo pack with black and blue inks, both in 0.7mm fine point for that crisp, easy glide performance that doesn't skip or blob. The lightweight yet durable stainless steel barrel gives it a modern, professional look, and it's got a non-slip grip for comfy writing during long sessions. Plus, it's retractable, so no cap to lose, and the shorter length slips right into your shirt pocket. Refillable with Zebra's F-Refill, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Whether you're jotting down ideas in the office, signing documents, or just doodling, this pen adds a touch of class to your EDC. It's perfect for students, pros, or anyone who hates cheap pens that fail mid-sentence. Number 3. Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. Safety first, folks. The Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit is your pocket-sized guardian angel for minor emergencies. This 27-piece kit is packed into a sturdy, crush-proof metal tin that's super compact and travel-friendly. Think backpack, car glove box, or even your desk drawer. It covers all the basics: latex-free bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, safety pins, sting relief wipes, butterfly bandages, spot bandages, and knuckle bandages. No more scrambling when you get a cut or sting. The embossed logo makes it easy to spot in low light or high stress situations. Coleman designed this for versatility. It's great for camping, hiking, or just everyday preparedness. At this price, it's a budget-friendly way to stay ready without overcomplicating your kit. Pro tip: toss one in your emergency survival bag. You'll thank yourself later. Number 4. Manicure Set Men Personal Care Tools. Gents, level up your grooming game with this manicure set for men. A 7-piece personal care kit that's multifunctional for hands, face, and feet. It all packs into a compact, steady black PU leather case with red lining, measuring just 3.9 inches and weighing 0.3 pounds. Super lightweight and portable, it opens with a simple push button. Made from premium stainless steel with secondary sharpening for extreme hardness, these tools are sharp and easy to use. Think upgraded nail clippers built for tough nails and toenails. It's got everything: nail clippers, scissors, tweezers, and more, all safe for sterilization to prevent infections. Perfect for travel, this set is an awesome gift for husbands, dads, or anyone who wants to stay polished on the road. Whether you're prepping for a date or just maintaining, it's functional, stylish, and built to last. Number 5. Travel Utensils with Case. Ditch the disposable plastic and go green with this travel utensil set. A 5-piece kit including a fork, spoon, knife, chopsticks, and an upgraded carry case. Everything's made from food-grade 18x8 stainless steel that's lightweight, sharp, rust-resistant, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The case is a game-changer. 9.0x 2.1 inches with an elastic band to keep things secure and rattle-free, plus a waterproof aluminum foil lining that's a breeze to wipe down. The chopsticks have reinforced laser etching for anti-slip grip. Portable and minimalist, it's ideal for office lunches, picnics, camping, or vacations. Throw it in your bag and forget single-use waste. Customers rave about its durability and classy dark metallic finish. It's versatile for work or outdoors and keeps your meals civilized no matter where you are. Number 6. Hion Nausea Relief Inhaler Mint. For those queasy moments, the Hion Nausea Relief Inhaler in Mint is a natural, side effect-free lifesaver. It's packed with 100% pure essential oils of mint for fast relief from motion sickness, morning sickness, or chemo-related nausea. Just take a deep breath and repeat as needed. Super easy to use. Pop it out when you feel off, inhale deeply, and feel the gentle aromatherapy kick in without drugs. It's tiny enough to slip into your wallet or pocket for on-the-go access. Customers love its portability and effectiveness. One even said it saved their pregnant friend from constant discomfort. If you're prone to nausea during travel or daily life, this is a must-have, and with 24/7 customer support, you're covered. Number 7. EDC Leather Key Ring Keychain Holder Belt Loop. Organize your chaos with this EDC Leather Key Ring Keychain Holder, a heavy-duty belt loop design made from premium leather that's rugged, classy, and built to last. It features a secure metal clasp to keep your keys, car, home, office locked on your belt up to 1.75 inches wide, plus an extra D-ring for more keys or tools. The tough construction includes uniform, tight stitching for durability, and it's solid enough to support heavy loads without flopping around. Customers call it a game changer for ranch workers or anyone tired of broken belt loops. It's an excellent gift for dads or boyfriends. Functional, secure, and stylish for everyday carry. Number 8. Carabiner Multi-Tool 8-in-1 EDC Carabiner's Pocket Knife. This carabiner multi-tool is an 8-in-1 powerhouse. Folding pocket knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, ruler, all in one compact steel package. The hand twist lock latch ensures safety, and it's strong enough for climbing, camping, or daily tasks. Portable and liner locking for one-handed operation, it clips easily to keychains, belts, or backpacks. Great for hiking, hunting, or survival gear. Customers praise its utility and value, though some note it's a bit bulky for ultralight EDC. If you love multifunctional tools, this tactical beast is perfect for adventures or as a gift. Number 9. Simptech Mini Crossbody Sling Bag. Stay hands-free with the Simptech Mini Crossbody Sling Bag, mini in size but massive in capacity. Dual pockets keep your phone up to 6.7 inches, even with a case separate from keys to avoid scratches, and the quick-release buckle makes it effortless to wear. Made from breathable, waterproof fabric, it's lightweight, durable, and sweat/rain resistant. Zippers lock everything in during runs or hikes. Versatile for gym, cycling, camping, or travel, customers love its compartments and sleek fit under jackets. With a 1-year replacement service, it's a premium deal for active lifestyles. Number 10. Key Unity KM00 Titanium Keychain Belt Clip. Wrapping up with the Key Unity KM00 Titanium Keychain Belt Clip, forged from T6L 4V alloy, that's 4x stronger than steel, non-corrosive, and super light at 0.45 ounces. The one-piece design with an S-shaped bend makes slipping keys on/off a breeze, and the double-sided clip fits belts, pockets, or backpacks up to 0.25 inches thick. It includes a titanium key ring for quick access and secure hold. Customers rave about its durability and ease. No more lost keys. At 2.2 inches long, it's compact and functional for everyday use. There you have it, the top 10 budget EDC essentials under $20 that punch way above their weight. Which one's calling your name? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Links to all these in the description. Catch you in the next one. Stay prepared out there.